So, states of matter. Today topic of states of matter and hydrogen and its compounds. Both lessons are there. States of matter. So, video one. That question number one. Problem number one. 1 liter of a gas weighs 2 grams at 300 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere pressure. If the pressure is made to 0.75 atmosphere, at which temperature will 1 liter of the same gas weighs 1 gram? They have given value of V1 equal to, initially it have 1 liter, and the weight of W1 equal to 2 grams and temperature 300 Kelvin. It is constant. The pressure P1 equal to 1 atmosphere. Then if the pressure in the second condition P2 is made to 0.75 atmosphere, then at which temperature will, here initial temperature they have given T1 300 Kelvin. At what temperature the same 1 liter of the gas, V2 also 1 liter, V2 is a constant. At what temperature 1 liter of the same gas weighs W2 equal to 1 gram. So the initial conditions they have given like this. If the pressure is 0.75 made to 0.75, at what temperature the weight of the same gas become 1 gram? That is the question. So the formula PV equal to nRT from ideal gas equation. From this P into V equal to N equal to number of moles, weight by molecular weight into R into T. So from this equation you can write. So in the options if you see here V1 V2 both are same, both are constant values. So they are neglecting V value. R is a constant value. Same gas, so molecular weight also constant. So from this equation P1 by P2 equal to W1 by W2 into T1 by T2 is the formula. So initial pressure is what? 1 atmosphere. P2 is 0.75 equal to weight, initial weight equal to 2 grams and final weight they made to 1 gram, and temperature, initial temperature is 300 Kelvin. Then what is T2? You have to calculate T2. So T2 is temperature, this value become 450 Kelvin. So T2 equal to 450 Kelvin. Next this is the first question. Next second question. The density of a gas is 2.5 grams per liter. Density of a gas is 2.5 grams per liter. At temperature equal to 127 degrees Celsius, and pressure equal to 1 atmosphere. Then the molecular weight of the gas. Is what? The question is molecular weight of the gas is what? So the same formula, PV equal to nRT. So P equal to, here N is the weight by molecular weight into RT by this, we take this side, here V into V. Now from this pressure equal to weight, volume I am writing this side, volume into RT by M. So here weight per volume or mass per volume, this term is equal to density. So P equal to density into RT by M. So the density relationship with ideal gas equation is P equal to density into RT by molecular weight of the gas. So they have given pressure given. So from this pressure equal to 1 atmosphere and density 2.5 grams per liter. R value, pressure in atmosphere, so R value in 0.08221 liter atmosphere, and temperature they have given 127 degrees Celsius. So it changes to Kelvins. So just here 273, it will become 400 Kelvin by the molecular mass. So molecular mass, so if you simplify this, you will get the value is nearly 82.1. 82.1 is the molecular mass. How much should be, question number 3, how much should be pressure be increased in order to decrease the volume of a gas by 5% at constant temperature? So the question is, how much pressure be increased when the volume of a gas is decreased by 5% at constant temperature? So at constant temperature, pressure volume relationship is Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, P is inversely proportional to volume at constant temperature. So from this initial pressure P1 by P2 equal to V2 by V1. V2 by V1. So initial pressure we assume as P1 only. Initial pressure P1. We have to calculate P2, final pressure. Then the value, initial value V. So the pressure is the value, final value they made decrease 5%. 5% decrease mean 100 minus 5, 95%. If initial pressure is, we have to assume 100%. Initial pressure is assumed as 100%. We have to calculate final P, and the final value they made to 95%. Initial value 100%. Initial value 100%. Final value decreased to 5%. That means remaining is 95%. So now P2 equal to 100 into 100 by 95. So now this value becomes 105.6%. So final P2 equal to 105.6%. Then the increase in pressure is what? Increase in pressure equal to P2 minus P1, that is equal to 5.6%. 5.6%. So if the volume is decreases to 5%, if volume of the gas is reduced to 5%, then the pressure is increased to 5.6%. 5.6%. Now next question. Next question number 4. The balloons of 4 liter capacity are to be filled with hydrogen at 1 atmosphere and 27 degrees Celsius. Balloons. So this is a balloon. Its volume equal to 4 liter and its pressure equal to 1 atmosphere. Temperature is at 27 degrees Celsius. 27 degrees Celsius. So this much 4 liter volume capacity containing balloons with 1 atmospheric pressure capacity can be, how many these type of gases can balloons can be filled by using a large balloon. This is a large balloon. Its volume equal to 8 liter volume, and its pressure is 10 atmospheric. So here if you see, in this case also hydrogen gas, here both temperatures are 27 degrees Celsius only. By using a large balloon with capacity 8 liter and pressure 10 atmosphere hydrogen gas, then small balloons can be how many fitted? How many can be filled? How many small balloons, 4 liter capacity balloons can be filled by using the 8 liter volume of the gas? So we have to transfer the gas from here to here. So before that, here pressure is 10 atmosphere. Here pressure is 1 atmosphere. If directly if I fill this 10 atmosphere containing gas, if you fill 1 atmosphere capacity balloon, it should be immediately blast. So that's why here pressure must be reduced. How much pressure reduced to? Here the pressure P should be reduced from 10 atmosphere to minus 1 atmosphere. 10 atmosphere to 1 atmosphere. So 10 atmosphere minus 1 atmosphere. So here pressure should be equal to 9 atmosphere. Now PV value of large gas. PV of large balloon. Large balloon equal to pressure how much reduced to? Becomes 9 atmosphere and volume is 8. So PV value is 72 liter atmosphere. Now here PV value, here PV of a small balloon. PV of a small balloon equal to 4 liter atmosphere. Now the number of balloons, small balloons filled equal to PV of large by PV of small. So that's why PV of large is 72, PV of small is 4. So 18 small balloons can be filled. 18 small balloons can be filled. Here this is important key point in this case. In the large cylinder or balloon, the capacity is 8 liter and pressure is 10 atmosphere. So here when the pressure of 10 atmospheric this gas, if you fill into only 1 atmospheric pressure containing small balloon, it is immediately blast. So that's why in this, when we transfer the gas from here to here pressure must be decreased to 10 atmosphere minus 1 atmosphere. That is 10 minus 1 equal to 9 atmosphere. So here pressure must be 9 atmosphere. So 9 into 8, PV value equal to PV of large cylinder or gas equal to N9 into 8. So this is 72 and PV of this. So both will be divided, we will get to 18 atmosphere. So question is based on Gram's law. 2 grams of helium diffuses from a porous plate in 4 minutes. How many grams of methane would diffuse through the same plate in same time under similar conditions? That is the question. So 2 grams of helium. So weight of helium equal to 2 grams of helium. Weight of helium equal to 2 grams. They have given. It can be diffused in 4 minutes. Then a time equal to 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And how many grams of methane? Weight of methane. We have to calculate the weight of methane which would diffuse through the same plate at same time. Here also time 4 minutes only. So the 2 grams of helium diffuses in 4 minutes. Then in the same time, how much weight of methane can be diffuses in the same time? So the relation is under root of m1 by m2 equal to w1 by w2 equal to into t2 by t1. This is the relationship. So here if it is t1, if it is t2, both times are same. So here 1 represents for helium, 1 represents for helium, 2 represents for methane. 1 is for helium, 2 for methane. So here both times are same, so I am neglecting both words. So under root molecular mass of helium is 4, molecular mass of methane is 16 equal to weight of helium is 2 grams and molecular weight of methane we have to calculate. Weight of methane we have to calculate. So 4 1 ja. So therefore under root 4 equal to 2 equal to 2 by weight of methane. So weight of methane equal to 4 grams. Weight of methane equal to